What's good? I'm Technical Corey, and today let's get into the Mech Wallet. This here's the 8807 designed by PunCube, right? And when you get this, it's packaged very nicely. And right here, just look at the packaging. All aluminum kind of look here. Embossed packaging on the embossed letters on here, letting you know you got the model 8807. It's the Mech Wallet designed by PunCube, right? So here's the wallet right here. When you get this, it explains everything you got here. It's a money clip. If you want to install it, gives you the instructions, but lets you know here the card capacity is 6 flat cards or 5 embossed cards, and it's RFID blocking, right? So 100% RFID blocking, so your information is actually safe when you use it, right? And on the back side here gives you usage guidelines and all that good stuff. But also, if you have trouble with the product, you can reach out to service at PunCube or go to their website. Very responsive, great warranty. They got like a 10-year warranty on the actual wallet, right? So everything is there and explained and self-explanatory, but check their website out, right? So we'll jump into it right here. First thing you get right here, here's the money clip. Money clip on the back side of it is double-sided tape. So if you want to put it on the wallet, it's double-sided tape. You just put it there and it's going to stick on there, right? And your cash going in, if you actually have cash, it's just a money clip and it does what it's supposed to do, right? So that's your money clip. Now here's the wallet, what we came here for, right? This is the wallet, and this here is slim. It's the metal kind of look that combines style and performance, right? And the cool part and what made me want to get this was just the one hand, like slide up, slide down. So it's fidget inspired mechanical system. So you got smooth one-handed access to the cards, making it both practical and uniquely satisfying with that click and with the one hand, right? So looking at it, it's built very well. Looking at it there, and it's got some like style, like they say, style and performance to it, right? So look on the back side here, it lets you know this is the model 8807. The material is aluminum alloy, right? And it looks really good and feels really good, right? And you can use this as a standalone wallet, but the thing that got me was that if I want to put this on my phone, I can actually turn this into a MagSafe connector plate, right? So here's the MagSafe connector plate. Double-sided tape right here. All you got to do is removable and easy to remove or reposition, right? So all you got to do is wash it, and wipe it dry to restore stickiness, right? So we'll put this on the back side right here, and then boom, we could connect that to our phone. So here's my phone right here. If you just put this magnet on right there, magnet isn't coming off, right? That's a strong magnet. So if you want to use this standalone or use it on your MagSafe on your phone, MagSafe wise, you can do that, right? But let's look at this thing one more time, right? Looks really good, one-handed right there. You can get, like they say, 6 flat cards or 5 embossed cards. So normally I have 3 cards, but let's put some cards in here, right? So I got 4 cards right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 cards goes in, and all you got to do is just slide it up. And you see right there, they pull them up, and all you got to do is grab your card out on whatever card you want out of there. And when you finish, just push them back in and slide it back down. So great setup right there. Again, just slide it up, grab the cards you want, boom. I would probably recommend putting the cards you want. Like for me, if I use my license or my debit card, whatever I want in the back, I'll probably put that one in the back. So I would go from putting it in from the least to greatest used card. So sliding it in just like that, boom, slide it up, grab the card out that you want or however you want to do it. But can't go wrong. That fidget inspired mechanical style setup is really cool. So if you just push those down and boom, they come up every single time. So really great wallet, access to your cards, making it easy and practical. And it's easy and uniquely and satisfying when using it, because all you got to do is just slide it up, slide it down. But it's an eye catcher to me, right? When you see this, it looks really cool. It stands out and practical. And just like that, you know, that click gets me every single time, right? So if you're like me and want a cool looking wallet that it's the mechanical style, it's style, performance, and all that good stuff, check out PunCube. This here's the 8807 wallet. So check them out, PunCube.com.